In this video, I'll show you how you can enable the two-factor authentication in Fortnite. Now, first step is we need to go to store.epicgames.com. This is where we can check our account settings and everything. Now, this is the official page that you want to go to, and once you're on here, you should see a little icon up here. You're going to click on it and log into your account. Once you have logged in, you're going to hover this and you can see it says account right here. Now let's go in here. In here you can see there's a ton of different tools on the left hand side. What we're going to focus on is the password and security. So let's click here and let's scroll down a little bit. Now you'll be able to see two-factor authentication. And you can see I have one already for the email. But if you want to enable a new one, what you're going to do is simply press on the setup button on any of these, and you will have to go through some kind of verification. For the email, when you press setup, it's just going to send you an verification email with some numbers, and you're going to type it in. Now that's basically how you can do it, guys. You can also remove it by clicking here and remove. But that's how to do it in Fortnite. It's super simple, guys, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.